welcome to my channel. Today's video we have the Xbox Play and Charge Kit for the new controllers. They do work with the regular Xbox One controllers and the Xbox One S controllers, but this one is an updated version and I'm really excited because it's USB Type-C and it's a claimed battery life of about 30 hours, which is, if it's true, that's insane. So let's look at it. So this is the packaging. Just typical Microsoft. Comes with a 9-foot USB Type-C cable. And this is what it comes with. So right here, you just, for all Xbox wireless controllers, new packaging. Every company is starting to do pull tabs now. Alright, let's get into it. Very satisfying. So right here on top we have the actual battery itself. Now this does retail for $25 on Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description. Wow, this is small. This is tiny. So on the back it says it's a 1400 milliamp capacity, which is pretty good actually. Let's get into this real quick. Let's get into other contents real quick. So right here you have the 9-foot cord, which is amazing because you'll have definitely more than enough room to be able to use it. And this is the, it's the more premium version of USB Type-C. If it's not premium, it would have like a little line through it and look like micro USB, but this one is really good, so I like that. And then right here we have the user manual. So as you can see, we have a product and regulatory information for warranty and everything like that. And then we have right here a quick start guide. Very simple on how to put it in, and then you can plug it into your console. Very cool. So let's go ahead and take a look at the battery. Like I said, this does work for the original Xbox One controllers, as well as the Xbox One S controllers and the new Xbox Series X. I will be getting the Xbox Series X in a bit, but for now, this one, I'm wondering how this would work, because before you would have to, charge the actual battery itself, this one, and it'll charge both of it. But I'm pretty sure you would have to update your controller because there's probably some sort of software to control it. Comparison, these are EBL batteries. These are 2800 milliamps, AA obviously, so they're basically the same size, just barely, but this feels lighter, so we shall see. Like this, you put it in like this with the Xbox logo facing there, and you're good to go. Put the housing over it, and that's it. Pretty simple. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Yep, it does work, so that's a good sign. With this cable, or you can use a micro USB for the older gen and then charge it that way, which I can't wait to start using USB Type-C for the controllers because I hate using micro USB. I would use it wired, but obviously USB Type-C is super good. This one, I'll be doing a battery drain test versus EBL batteries. These are really good. They last probably 5-6 days of battery life, so if it's better than this, which I probably doubt it, but the claim life is 30 hours on this. This is probably more. That's what this channel is all about. If you're new around here, make sure you subscribe for more videos just like this. And if you're gonna get the plain charge kit, I'll let you know if it's worth it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be updating this video and then post it, or update it just unboxing. But without further ado, that's pretty much it. See you guys in the next one. Now, to be able to make this compatible, all you have to do is make sure the play and charge kit is in here. Make sure you have a compatible cable. Either for the new ones, you have to use Type-C, or the older gen, you have to use micro USB. Plug it into the controller as well as the Xbox. The USB port, it will make a buzz. And then on the Xbox app, all you have to do is make sure you update the controller, and it will update. It'll apply the update, and it'll be really quick because it's only one thing that it has to do. Mine is already up to date. Now once it's up to date, you will be good to go. And now your controller will be good to go. It'll charge, as you can see, top right. It'll be charging with the charging icon, which is cool. That's pretty much it. I will be doing a drain test of this. The EVL batteries, rechargeable, versus the plain charge kit, and which one is better. If you want to see that video, make sure you subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.